Hello, my name is Elson Silva. I'm a scientist pursuing a sort of scientific discovery in the US, and I have issued patents over there. Today I'm going to talk about my involvement with Roche, but before starting this explanation, I'm going to tell something about outlining how I get to this point. So I'm working with the hydrologists since 1990 when I studied rainfall distribution in the Amazon basin, and my PhD was about spatial dynamics of water distribution in the Amazon basin. I studied anomalies, I studied water balance, and I studied dry season, rainy season. So when I came back from the US, I started playing with the ropes, and I found out this opportunity to have a high development in this hydrodynamics. So my first step was a patent in Brazil, and then afterwards I decided to move to the US because it's a big economy. I got my PhD there and I found the potential. 2001 I found two American patent attorneys. We opened a company and they had 45% of property of my intellectual property rights to provide this legal protection for my discovery. But we were moving nice. We got 3 issued patents. I filed the first patent in 2001 and 2004. My first patent was issued, and then 1 year afterwards I was every week checking the patents. So I have in my computer here everything under control. Every week I know which patents are being approved, which patents are being filed, and also patent examiners. So I have a lot of information here I can check around. So in 2004, 2005, I found out that my patents were being violated, and I talked to my partner. They said, well, also you can send a notification to the attorneys or the inventors asking them to file IDS, information disclosure statement. So the examiner would check your patents, okay, with their patents, and check and to see if the conflicts are not the same. So I sent 1, 5, and 10, and by the internet I'm easy with communication, 50, 100, and 1,000. And so the law companies, they pressure my partners, asked me to stop, and my partners, they said, else you have to stop, it's an order. So no. You are asking me that I go and do it legally. So if you ask 1,000 or 1,000,000 times people to respect the law, this is not illegal. I'm asking people to learn hydrology and respect my patents. So I continued. And my partner, they said, well, in the US, big companies, they hurt the small ones. So law here works this way. If you're small, you have no chance against the big guys. So, well, in science, different. In science, nature doesn't care who has money, who doesn't have money. So my partners, they quit the project, and I'm alone by myself fighting. And I got so happy when Roche was working with this kind of device. They need a lancet to collect fluids for glucose analysis, and they were working. They were needing a sort of porosity. So they have no understanding about the geometry of porosity, okay? What is Roche? Roche is a company that they employ 68,000 people. They have a budget $46 billion, almost the size of Paraguay. So okay, they are going to pay me a lot of money for this. And I was expecting them to invite me, work together, license my patent. I sent the Roche 20, 30 letters. I sent many letters to law companies, asked them to report my find, my patent. And I got surprised when I discovered this. They learned with my patent. They copied, and they got issued patent. It's amazing. You see, this is the number. Roche got issued patent using my patent, and this year they have this patent application and with the same drawing. So what happened is that this Roche is, I don't know how they do it. They learn with my patent, they file, and they copy it, and they get the same thing as I have, And it's amazing because the patent examiner who approved it, his name is there. You can see his name is over there. He cited my patents 2 years earlier. So this is my problem, because you see we have here a bunch of scientific literature that is not being respected. They're not respecting it. I mean, then I find out that the USPTO is in a scandal much bigger than Penn State. You see, I'm from Penn State, but USPTO is all the patent system, and USPTO is running a reinvention policy. What happened is you have a patent. You take 5 years, 6 years to get a patent. It's just a paper. If you don't have millions and millions to fight people in court, this is worthless, because the institution behind this is allowing it to be reinvented with other patents, even fraud. So Roche, they have this power to go and grab my ideas. And I did a search on the internet. I found near 5,000 emails of Roche. I put their emails on my blog. I sent them message not to do this, and I told them, if your goal is to make money, just bribe the people at the treasury office and print the bills, because science is something very serious. You cannot reinvent what was already invented. This is not supposed to happen in the United States. This is the most developed in the world. They are reinventing my patents. No way. It cannot happen. So what I'm telling you, what's happening in the United States is just a small sample of the whole function of government, because USPTO has 6,000 examiners, and none of them is hydrologists. They don't care. I mean, they sit there, they approve anything they want, and even they're not respecting scientific literature. You see what is here, what is taught at Penn State? They don't respect over there. So that's what I have for today, and I'm not disappointed. I know that the science is very strong, hydrology is not going to change, but some guys need a lesson, because we needed to fix USPTO. I already started cursing Obama because he's not doing his job, and in a long run we needed to question, if Roche can reinvent my patent, what else the wrongdoing they are doing to make money? So they have all their products. What the other rules they are overstepping to increase their profit, okay? So this is not only my patent, so it's whole the system. How far people are trespassing the boundaries for profit. Okay, that's all for today. Bye-bye.